Okay, here's our beautiful site. Okay, now let's just go add some interesting AMP components. Let's go and do the next one. Will be the slider. This is like a carousel. They call this component the AMP carousel, but I put slider. Oh well. Okay. So what we want to do is grab some pictures. I'll just grab some here. I'm going to copy the image location, and I know it's going to be 1280 wide by 600 because these are mine, but your graphics might be different. And I am going to paste the graphic, and then so that's Unsplash 12. I'm going to do a 13 and 14 just so you can see. Okay, so I have my width and my height, and then I'm going to put a class on it. I'm going to call this Slidey, and this will be for screen readers. This is my slide show. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is put the JavaScript, the red portion, in the top. Right after, remember we put our slide bar JavaScript library. We're going to put our slider, our carousel. See, that's what it's actually called, carousel. But I wasn't sure how to spell that when I created this program. Then I have to get my actual code. So I'm going to hit that. It selects what I need. I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to put this in my media. So I'm going to go down until I see my media row. Main, gallery. Here's the media row. Right here. Begin media row. I'm going to put it in the first. I'm going to take those P's out and paste it in. I'm going to hit save. Now when I go to my beautiful site, I hit refresh. There's my tomatoes, there's a little girl, and here's the slider. There it goes. And you'll see the slider when it's on a desktop. You have these arrows. On a phone, you'll be able to sweep it with your finger. Now you'll notice that it kind of goes quickly. Well, it looks like it stopped for some reason. I'll just hit refresh. And you can see that they will change automatically. By default, they go really fast. If you wanted to change that, the speed, all you have to do is look in your carousel, and look, there's a delay. And I'm going to put 8 here so that it won't go so fast. Those are probably milliseconds or something, who knows, 8 seconds. So look, now that I changed it to 8, it's not going to move as fast. There. So you put a delay on your slides if you want. And of course you can scroll through them. Okay, so there's that. If I wanted to add some more slides, all I'd have to do is probably go back. Let's see. I can grab these. Notice how it begins. Each one begins with an AMP image, ends in an AMP image. And so I can just copy these, paste these in, change the numbers. I don't know, we'll just do 15 and 16. I don't know what these slides are. And when I hit save, now I have more slides in my slideshow. Okay, so that is how you put the carousel in your page.